today I will brief you about the backdrop creation and modification. Let us start understanding what is backdrop. Backdrop is the basically background image or picture of the stage. The background image or picture can be set to the stage using the various options like selecting the background image or picture from the existing Scratch library. First one. Second one, creating your own image or picture using the paint editor. Third one, uploading from the specified location. Okay, let us start understanding all these options with an example. Okay. Here, this is the graphical icon which is available in the Scratch, which enables the user to change or set the background image or picture for the stage. So as I told, the first option is selecting from the existing Scratch library. So select choose backdrop. So whichever the backdrop is required, that we can select it. So this is the stage which is set with the flower design. Second option, which enables the user to create their own backdrop by using the paint editor. Now here the various painting options are available here. So which enables the user to create the backdrop by using these options. Now let us start. If you want the backdrop image is circle, we can set like this. Now if you don't want this one, if you want square, so this also we can set. Suppose if you want to make use of the stripes like this. If you want to fill with the different colors, fill colors. Now, if you want circle in between. So like this we can create our own backdrop. So the creation of our own backdrop is depending on the type of the requirement. Next option is uploading from the specified location. Okay. Now select the whichever the backdrop image. Open it. See, these are the backdrops. So these are the various options which are available in the Scratch for creation and modification of the backdrops. Now if you want to view how many backdrops are currently available in your project, just here backdrops. So down there is a number called the 4. So there are totally 4 backdrops are available. Backdrop 1, backdrop 2, 3 and 4. So if you want to delete the backdrop, just go and click on this. If you want to duplicate the backdrop, right click, then select the duplicate option. Next, if you want to do export, then we can select the export and specify the where it has to be loaded. Okay. Now if you want to delete, right click, delete. So this is the process of creation and modification of the backdrops.